Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's painting is a tutorial. It's a watercolor done with Holbein paints. I will link the description of any materials used below. If you have any questions, please comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you and have fun. Just a small introduction. Got several items that we need: tape, brushes, water, pencil for drawing, and the watercolor paint. I use Holbein. Now I tape that down at 1/2 inch, and it's just to prevent it from beveling up when you're painting it. Sketchbook with some ideas, some notes for me as I go. Now you'll see me creating the horizon line and 2 points. I'm working in 2-point perspective to get a nice 3D look to it. Just helps me determine better where everything's going to be placed in the painting. Now I'm drawing a little heavy-handed, and that's so you can see it on the video. Naturally, you do want to draw very lightly. Just plotting in where I want the waves to crash. You'll see me using curved lines to have a better idea of which direction each stroke is going to go in. New toy, electric eraser, works very nice. Speeds the process up. Now that I'm done with the preliminary sketch, I'm going to do a wet into wet style painting. Here I'm going around the clouds, just dropping in some water, and I'll put the pigment in shortly. Took me a minute. Using a 1/2 inch flat, I just wanted a nice point to the edge. Switch to a black velvet silver brush number 8. And I'm using cerulean blue. Now while that dries, I'm going to go into the waves. And this color is called cobalt green. Adding some water for some more washes. I added ultramarine deep and yellow gray. Just using a nice and light wash for the sand for now. Added some permanent green 1 to the waves. You see I'm going back in now that process to get that bright color. Not too much water first, and you'll get the results you're looking for. Now I'm going in with burnt umber. Watercolor paper onto foam board. It's light, convenient, disposable. Buy a sheet for $5 and I cut it in 8. I have some raw. Added a little bit of mineral violet to give an illusion of depth. Very light washes. Probably should change the water by that point. Now I'm starting to work on the foam. I'm using Wight and ultramarine. Just blending up with water. Add a little rose madder to the sky. I just felt like it. You know how it goes. Back in with the permanent green 1 and the ultramarine. Now, I apologize, the color is very washed out on the camera. But you can see I'm building up the saturation. Here is the final image.